Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are visiting for the first time, this channel is dedicated to sharing the process of creating resin keycaps and showcasing some intricate sculpted pieces. Let's kick things off with today's featured keycap. I've recently opened a store on Etsy. If you are interested in my products, please take a moment to visit and support the creative endeavor. We're currently offering some great deals that you won't want to miss. Returning to today's video, I've chosen to work on a renowned fire-type Pokémon, Charizard. If you're a Pokémon enthusiast, having one of these on your keyboard is undoubtedly a fantastic addition. Wouldn't you agree? Coloring is a crucial stage, and when dealing with intricate keyboard keys, it's recommended to use a magnifying glass to ensure your eyes don't get strained. From the detail-oriented work, given its fire-type nature, the dominant color scheme will revolve around red and gold. I'm incorporating reflective paint in this step to make the highlighted details stand out more prominently under ultraviolet light. Now, onto our main character. To ensure it fits within the dimensions of a keycap, the dragon has to be quite small, usually just a few millimeters. This can pose challenges when it comes to the painting process. Pouring the final layer of resin and waiting is the next step. For those who might not be familiar, resin typically cures completely within 18 to 24 hours, although there's still a relatively high chance of defects. Let's take a look at the finished product together. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you're interested in purchasing the product, check out the link in the video description. Thank you for watching.